Recently I did a trade with Hannah Ann, and I'm sorry Hannah, I probably said your name wrong. I should have asked how to pronounce it before I did this video. But I met her on Karen E. Haley's live stream. We just got to talking, and I decided to send her some of my old clay supplies that I wasn't using. And she said that she would draw me a picture of Vanellope Von Schweetz from Wreck-It Ralph. And she did an awesome video of that if y'all want to go check that video out. She also sent me some goodies though that I wanted to show you. She sent me some Dollar Rowling watercolor tubes. And I'm really excited to try these out because I haven't tried watercolor in a long time. I just really sucked at them before. About a year ago I tried like the pan watercolors and they just didn't work for me. And I've tried recently gouache, I believe is how you pronounce it. I saw the captain do a video where that's the medium that he used, and it came out really nice, so I decided to give a go at it, and maybe I'll show those pictures in another video. And then she also sent me some really cute ATCs. I have a little Hello Kitty ice cream cone and a super adorable Squirtle she sent me, and these were both done with Copics. She also sent me this Canson watercolor pad, which I was really excited to get. I can't wait to try it out. Originally when I got it, I thought it was just the paper. It was wrapped up inside this Reynolds wrap cellophane stuff, and I thought it was just the paper, and I decided to take the paper off so that I could show you guys the really cool pad she sent me. And when I opened it up, she actually sent me the picture of Vanellope to me, which I wasn't expecting to get at all because she did the video for me and she did send me all these extra goodies. I wasn't expecting any original artwork from her, and she sent it. It's really cute. I can't wait to put it on my wall. My son's going to be so excited when he wakes up and sees what I got. So I haven't completed my part of the trade. I also told her I would send her some of my art, but I haven't been able to really draw or anything. Like if you look at my art desk, it's completely disgusting. I haven't touched it in weeks. Nothing. Not even a sketch up there. Nothing at all. Like, horrible. Horrible, horrible. But I will be getting into that picture, Hannah, I promise. I will send you some more art for you. I'll be working on that this week, and maybe I'll be doing it in watercolor and have another video to post for y'all. Which I am sorry about the quality. I'm using my phone right now, my little rinky-dinky Android, because my laptop went on the fritz, and the last video I did, I was able to edit it and make it look at least decent, and this one and a few future ones I won't be able to. But hopefully I'll be able to be back real soon with some awesome pictures for you guys. So we'll see y'all soon.